These are a couple of fiber balls, dropouts, that have still coated with the breakup of the hydrogel biofilm. And it shows them back into cube form as it dissolves with the formulas. And you can spot the little pieces hanging on the crystal fiber optic cables. And those little cubes were what formed together in the mesh as a grid the sheet that all the fibers were embedded in 1,000th the thickness of a human hair, a nanometer, housing all of these fibers laying flat on the skin surface, but balled up when I rub the tissue and they come out. See if I can get this clearer here, but you can see the particulates in it and the rods, the different types of rods that have developed from this mass of carbon and hydrogel reacting together. This is a fullerene bundle that's still covered in the biofilm. Fullerenes that are in the process of morphing to the crystalline fibers, or were, until the formulas dissolve them. And there's those cubes again of hydrogel polymers that were assembled to make the sheet. This is the first fullerene ball that has been loaded like this with the hydrogel. Normally, all the hydrogel has dissolved off of them. So I'm going to pause this and flip it over because this looks like it could be even more interesting still. This is the flip side, and it's showing a lot more of the polymers connected. What I'm noting here is how that black fullerene is in the process of morphing in that big chunk of polymer there. It's going from really black to almost a gray color. Note the one beside it. On either side, one is crystal and one is fullerene. Massive amount of hydrogel. Haven't seen this before. So that means there's some release underneath to let this all go like that. And that could be just by me mixing formulas the last couple of days. I noticed that my detox increases when I'm mixing formulas. The exposure to the powders and the fumes. So that's a big red build there up top. It's caught my attention. Not hydrogel, it's actually a red node forming. And look at the fullerenes in it. Or maybe it's not. Maybe that's clear through. And those are just black and clear fibers in a looped position. So, let's see. Doing this so you can see, because I see these things all the time and know exactly what they are. Graphene diamond breaking up into hydrogel and bicarbonate gas. And done with this one.